Can I go ahead and aerate my established Bermuda, or should I wait until it comes out of dormancy some more? It's still kind of dead looking. Also, do I need to spread some peat moss or sand after I aerate? And this is Wayne in Collierville, Tennessee. Kind of answers the first question for you, right? It still looks kind of dead. You should aerate your warm season grasses, Bermuda, zoysia, when they are actively growing, when they are lush and green. So I would do that in May, June, and possibly July. Okay? So that's when you need to aerate. And as far as spreading peat moss or sand, this is what I usually tell folks to do if you want to do that. Because of course, if you're going to be aerating, it's going to pull out, some of that soil, those plugs, right? Because you're going to get air down into that soil, you're going to get water, you're going to get nutrients down there as well. And then too, you're going to actually rip apart some of those roots, which actually encourages the roots to go deeper, right? They're going to grow together and grow deeper. Use compost or organic material instead of the peat moss or the sand. Right? Because over time, your soil microbes are going to love you.
Yes,
right?
that's a great suggestion.
So I would rather folks do that than add the peat moss or the sand. Okay, Mr. Wayne? So again, compost, organic material, that's what your grass roots want, right? That's what they need. And it would encourage them to, of course, grow deeper to get that moisture, and then those grasses would be so green. Right? So that's what I would recommend doing, okay? So aerate, May, June, July, but I would go May, June, because July is pretty hot, around these parts. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.